अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम आकिफ़ ख़ान है और मैं एक साइंटिस्ट और ब्लॉगर हूँ। थैंक्स टू द पीपल who gave me this opportunity to speak my mind about Sharmi, Ubaid, Chinoy's sisters matter. तो कल से हम लोग इसी बहस में पड़े हुए हैं कि who is right and who is wrong. We are distributing certificates of purity and righteousness and everything. तो on the onset मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर एक खातून कहती है कि she has been harassed, she is the only person who has the right to decide whether she has been harassed or not. This is the basic definition of harassment. अब उसकी forms हैं, बहुत सारी forms हैं. अब okay, you will say it's not fair. Why should we believe her? She might be lying. She might have an agenda. But here's the thing. There are three important factors here. One is the historical patriarchy, जिसको आप कह सकते हैं male dominance, historical. Come on, guys. Women have just been liberated in the past century, and still in many countries, many of our brotherly countries, they can't drive, they can't vote, and they have no access to education. They have minimal rights and of whatever you talk about. So that's why there is the power dynamic and the privilege matter. इसकी मिसाल ऐसे है कि you are sitting with your boss and your boss tells you, hey, can you please make a cup of coffee or tea for me? And you would say, yeah, sure. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, right? Now, the same situation. You are telling your boss, can you make a cup of coffee for me, please? So, do you understand the power dynamic now? This is the situation, exact situation, when a person in a power position, authority position, is telling someone who is not at the same position to do something. So, and there are two power dynamics over here. एक मेल प्रिविलेज है और दूसरी डॉक्टर पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप. डॉक्टर इज a person of authority who has access to the personal information, private information of the patient, and he can use it, जैसे भी वो उसका दिल करे. Then there comes ethics and professional conduct. That is why we have those guidelines कि आपने पेशेंट की प्राइवेसी का ख्याल रखना है. और फिर आप जब आए मेल फीमेल उस फैक्टर पे आप आते हैं तो she felt harassed. She went back home and she saw, oh, who is he? My doctor, he's sending me friend request. Why? What should come into her mind? Okay, she can ignore it, but that's her feeling, which is exactly what I said, Only she has the right to decide whether it's harassment or right. You can't tell her. So stop, shaming people, especially women, into silence over the matters that matter. और ये सिर्फ ये मसला नहीं है, ये हम लोगों की आदत है. चाहे वो मलाला हो, या मलाला की जीन्स हो, चाहे वो मायरा हो, उसका सिगरेट हो, चाहे शर्मीन हो, उसका ऑस्कर हो, चाहे कंदील बलोच हो, हम किसी भी पावरफुल खातून को देखकर आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी आर स्केयर्ड, वी फील थ्रेटन्ड. That is because, why are we threatened, Because our power, that power dynamic is going to be disturbed, which is supported by culture and other ideological reasons. So we are not we are defending it. We don't want it to shatter down. तब हम लड़ते हैं, तब इतना शोर मचा हुआ है. आप कह रहे हो कि उसने मसला बना दिया, उसने कोई मसला नहीं बना दिया, आप लोगों ने मसला बनाया हुआ है. So let's cut it short. Please stop shaming people, women into silence, and accept that there is harassment, and there are several forms of harassment, whatever it is you are talking about. So please do this favor to your future generations, and that's it. Goodbye.